Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BoomiWorld. Hope everyone is doing great. In our last video, we discussed about notify shape. If you haven't watched my last video, please go and check it out now. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about differences between the message shape and notify shape. So in our previous videos, we saw what is message shape, what is notify shape, and how to configure these shapes on Boomi, right? If you haven't watched those videos, please go and check it out now. So in this video, we'll see what are the main differences between the message shape and notify shape. In most of the interviews, you will get this question. So now we can discuss differences. So the message shape is used to generate the free flow text message from either static or dynamic variables. Notify shape is used to generate custom execution logs and send customized email alerts to subscribers. Message shape will alter the data. Notify shape does not alter the data. So these are the differences between message shape and notify shape. Hope this video will help you to understand differences between the message shape and notify shape. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get all notifications whenever I post the video. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.